Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how to make paneer butter masala. It's very simple and very easy recipe. So before looking at the ingredients, don't forget to give a like and press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. So now let's have a look at the ingredients. So we need 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onion, roughly chopped tomatoes also, 10 to 15 garlic, lesun, 1 inch of ginger. Then let's look at the masalas in the dry masala. In dry masala, we have tej patta, that is bay leaf, 2 red chilies, and then we have a cinnamon stick, dalchini, 2 ilaichis. We have half teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, and here we have 10 to 15 cashews, that is kaju. So now we have 200 grams of paneer. We can use some fresh cream. If you don't have also, it's optional, not a problem. We have 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil. Then we have 1 tablespoon coriander ya dhania and salt as per taste. So let's get started. अब हमने पैन चढ़ा दिया है मीडियम आंच पे, यू कैन से मीडियम फ्लेम. सो नाउ वी आर गोना ऐड इन 2 टेबलस्पून ऑफ ऑयल, 2 बड़े चम्मच तेल के. To this oil we'll be adding our सूखा masala, dry masalas. Dry masalas. Now roast it for few seconds. After few seconds we add in the roughly chopped onions. Saute it for 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Now to this we add in the garlic and ginger. अदरक और लहसुन भी ऐड कर रहे हैं. 10 से 15 सेकंड्स के लिए इसको हिलाएं अच्छे से. अब हम इसमें टमाटर डाल रहे हैं. We are gonna add in the tomatoes. Now we have to cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. Like this for 4 minutes at a very low flame. Now 4 minutes are over. Now to this we add in little salt. Give it a mix. Now to this we'll add in half a glass of water. Now cook it at a medium flame for another 5 minutes. To this we'll add in some cashews also. Cook it for another 5 minutes. Now you can see most of the water is absorbed and 5 minutes is over. So now we have to grind this mixture. Make sure that the vegetables are cooled down before we grind it, and we have to grind it in a fine and a very smooth paste. So now we have added in the mixture to the jar. Make sure that the mixture is properly cooled before you add it to the jar, and make sure to remove the bay leaf from the jar as it cannot be grinded. So we'll grind rest of the things into a fine and a smooth paste. Our paste is almost ready. It looks very fine and smooth. Make sure that you grind it for at least 30 to 40 seconds. On the same pan we add about 1 tablespoon of oil. To this we add in 1 tablespoon of butter at a medium flame. Make sure that the butter doesn't burns out. It melts properly. Now to this we add in our jeera. Now to this we add in the haldi powder. And to this we add in the red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the chili powder as per the taste. Now to this mixture we add in our grinded vegetables. The paste we add in the paste to this. Now it has got a very good color. We have to saute this mixture till it leaves oil. It might take about 4 to 5 minutes for the mixture to leave oil. Make sure that you keep stirring the mixture. It's a bit lengthy task, but you have to stir it. A continuous stirring is needed. 5 minutes are now almost over, and you can see that this has stopped to stick around the corners. Keep stirring it for some more minutes. 2 minutes more. Now you can see the paste has stopped sticking, so it has almost left the oil. And this took around 7 minutes at a medium flame. Now to this mixture we'll be adding in the coriander powder. And we'll add in the kasuri methi leaves. Give it a stir for a few seconds. Now to this I'll be adding in 1 cup of water, and this cup of water is from the jar that I've cleaned. add in the other 1 cup water that was left. Now to this we'll be adding our key ingredient, that is 1 teaspoon of sugar to give it a mild flavor, mild sweet taste. Now in goes our paneer. Now to this we add in our garam masala powder. Keep mixing it for another 5 minutes. Now to this we add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. It's optional. If you don't have fresh cream, then also it's not a problem. It's gonna be as yummy and delicious as it would be with the cream. Now we have our last and final step, that is to add some salt to this and add the coriander leaves. See, it looks very creamy and delicious. Now to this we add in salt. Initially we had added the salt for the vegetables to cook fast. Now we are adding the salt again. Make sure that you don't add too much salt. Add the salt as per your taste. And now to this we will be adding in the coriander leaves. And our paneer butter masala is almost ready to be served. And we have cooked it for around 5 to 10 minutes after we have added in the paneers. Now our paneer butter masala is ready to be served. It looks very yummy and delicious, and thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.